Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see old Facebook memories and find past posts on Windows. Very simple. Just look at this image, come over into the part 1, see old Facebook memories. Just simply open any of your favorite browser and then open Facebook login. Then come to the left side. Here we're going to find out memories, and into the memories you will going to get all of your memories like 2 years ago or 1 years ago, whatever time it's showing. Also, you can change the memories time. You can simply click on it and you can simply select specific date when you want to get back. This is the first one. Now the second one is to how to find past post using activity log. Very simple. Just come over into your Facebook profile. Here it is. Just simply click on it, click on these three dots and then simply select activity log, then select post, then select your post, and here is all of your older post over here. This is the simple tips and tricks to find past post using activity log on Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.